So you've heard people talk about gut health, but you don't actually know why it's important, what's going on in your gut, or how to actually improve it. Let's break it down real quick. So your gut doesn't just digest food. It's even often called the body's second brain. This is because 95% of the hormone serotonin, the hormone that makes you feel happy and calm, is produced in your gut. 50% of the hormone dopamine, which is what gives you your motivation, is also found in your gut. There are over 30 neurotransmitters that are produced in your gut that affect the way you feel, that affect the way you sleep, that affect your energy levels. All of this is found within your gut. See, inside your gut and your colon, there are over 30 trillion microbes that are mostly made up of bacteria. These microbes can affect things like your blood sugar, your metabolism, your mood, and even your focus. 70% of your immune system is also found in your gut, and there's a single layer of cells that separates your gut from those 30 trillion microbes. This is why you hear people recommend fermented foods, because fermented foods help build up this wall that separates that 70% of your immune system from the 30 trillion microbes. And when you don't have that separation of the cell wall, a little breakage, that can lead to things like chronic inflammation. Alright, so now how do we improve it? We want to start walking, and we want to start eating more plant-based foods. Walking I'll keep quick, but walking for 20 to 30 minutes after you wake up, and then walking for about 10 to 20 minutes-ish after you eat will really help your digestion. We want to eat things like fruits, vegetables, legumes, seeds, whole grains. Legumes especially, I know it sounds kind of weird, but legumes are really underrated. This is because they're packed with fiber, polyphenols, resistant starches, right? These things all act as prebiotics that help bring good bacteria into our gut. So I touched on this a little bit earlier, but fermented foods are great as well. During the fermentation process, microbes transform the food, making them high in postbiotics and probiotics. And those postbiotics go even further. They support your immune system, they support your metabolism, and they actually cross your blood-brain barrier, so it affects your mood. And I'm going to make a full video about fiber after this, but what I would recommend is just having about 15 grams of fiber per 1,000 calories consumed. Or if you don't really know how many calories you're consuming, if you're a girl, shoot for about 25 grams of fiber a day. If you're a guy, shoot for about 38 to 40 grams a day. Lastly, as someone who actually struggled with gut health, I tried this Optimize mineral supplement and Optimize vitamin supplement. This stuff is great. It worked perfect for me after a month. My gut health completely went away. I know sometimes dealing with GI irritation, everything like that can be really annoying, so I would give that a try for a month and just see how you feel. But yeah, that's all I've got. If you have any questions about gut health, feel free to ask me in the comments, and I will do my best to help you. If I can, I will provide you with a source that I think is trustworthy that will help you out to the best of my ability. But yeah, that's all I've got. I hope you guys have a great day.